Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you how you can organize your migrations in folders. So let's say you are having a lot of migrations. So for that you can organize it into folders, and how you can run that I'll be showing you in this video. So let's get started. So firstly I'll be showing you how you can create a migration directly into a folder only. So in code, you can see in database migration folder, I'm having just default migrations. So now let's go and create one more migration. Let's say post, and I'll be creating, let's say, post and post comments, because on a post there will be multiple comments. So all these two migrations I'll be keeping in one folder, let's say post. So let's go and create it. So write command php artisan make migration and write create post table, and after that what you need to do is define path option. So in that you will be passing your directory name, like folder name which we want to create. So here that will be inside database, then migration, and inside post. So post folder will be created as it is not present right now. So inside post your migration will be created. So now let me just create for comment as well. So write php artisan make migration and create post comment table, and pass same path option that will be inside post only. So enter, and now you can see it's created. So let's go to post folder, and you can see both migration are present in that particular folder. Now let's create another folder as well for contact. So write same command php artisan make migration, and here write create contact table, and path will be, instead of post it will be contact. So hit enter, and now you can see contact folder is created, and inside that migration is there. So now let's migrate. So write php artisan migrate. So you can see only 4 tables are migrated. So if I'll go to DB and check, so here you can see only 4 tables are there. No migration run inside folders, that is contact and post. So how you will be running this? So I'll be showing you it now. So one way to achieve this is to pass option path while migrating. So write php artisan migrate with option path, and write database migration post. So hit enter, and now you can see post and post comment are created. So now again you have to run for contact folder. So let's say if you are having 10 folder, then it will be like for every folder you have to run manually. So that's what we don't want. So second way of doing this is using service provider. So I'll be using app service provider. So in this file you can see we are having boot function. So here we will be telling Laravel application that from where you need to read the migrations. So firstly let's get the migration path. So for that use database path, and inside that pass the folder that is migrations. So this will tell you the path till migration folder. So let me show you the output of this migration path. So let me DD it. So open terminal, and write php artisan migrate. Okay, I have to save file. I have forgot to save it. So now run again php artisan migrate. So now you can see the output of this migration path. So next what we need to do is, let's say folder will be having different name, because let's say contact and post, so different name. So but it's a kind of pattern that in migration you need to check in a folder. So for that we'll be using globe. So this will be like matching patterns. So inside globe I'll be passing migration path, because it's giving till migration. So after that it's like slash, and it will be star, because I want all the folders, whichever folder is inside migration. So I want to run all the migrations. So one more option I need to pass, that is globe only directory. So this will return only directory entries which match the patterns. So this will just give me folders. This will not give me default, that is this user table. This will not give me this. So did it, and again run migration command, and here you can see I'm having contact and post folder. So one more thing is there, that I need to run all the migrations. Some may be outside folder, some may be inside folder. So for that we will be merging. So firstly write array merge. So inside that pass migration path. So this will take outside any folder is there, like inside migration, that's it. And then directories. So this will give me inside folders. So now in path, I'm having all the migrations inside folder, outside folder. So last what is pending is to load the migration. So write this and write function load migration from, and inside that pass this path variable. So that's it what you need to do. So now let me just roll back my migration. So write php artisan migrate rollback. I guess 2 times I have to roll back. So one more time roll back. So check in DB and only migration table is there. So now let's run the final migration. So write php artisan migrate. So now you can see all tables are migrated with post and contact. So now if I'll go in DB, you can see 8 tables are created. So that's how you can organize your migration. So that's all in this video. I have shown you how you can organize your migrations. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.